Claude AI to make presentation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin creating a professional presentation using Claude AI, start by opening the Google Chrome application on your desktop or laptop. Direct your cursor to the address bar positioned at the uppermost part of the window and click within it to prepare for your search. Enter the phrase Claude Download into the field and strike the Enter key to locate the authentic setup file through the search results. Among the listings that appear, select the hyperlink leading to the legitimate Anthropic homepage to guarantee a secure download of the software. After the site displays its contents, choose the button marked Download for Windows to store the installer onto your local drive safely. Once the transfer finishes, head to your browser's Downloads panel and launch the installer package to commence the official installation process. Allow a short interval for Claude to finalize its configuration on your machine before moving forward. Upon the program's initial launch, press the Get Started control to start the setup routine for your new account. Pick the option labeled Continue with Google for a swift and protected login via your active Google profile. A roster of stored Google identities will emerge. Designate the specific one you intend to associate with Claude for future use. Hit Continue to verify your selection and wrap up the authentication procedure smoothly. Should a dialog box surface in your web viewer prompting an application switch, press Open Claude to shift back to the desktop tool immediately. Dismiss or bypass any introductory slides or guidance messages that may materialize to reach the primary workspace directly. Advance through the concise orientation questions in the conversation panel by selecting Continue to ready your environment for work. Expand the program pane to full size, creating a broad and comfortable viewing area for your creative tasks. Click on the Prompt tab and type your request to create a presentation along with your specific topic of choice. For example, type the prompt, "Can you make presentation about how to invest?" Wait a moment for Claude to process your request and generate a response. It will take a while. Your presentation is now ready for review. Scroll down to check your presentation, and you can download or save it in Google Drive right now.